Hello family, welcome back to my channel. This is day number 6. Today I'll be making 3 different chargers that can be used at any dinner table at a wedding reception. I just want you to sit back, relax, and watch the rest of this video. But first, I want to take the time out to thank my dedicated family members that keep coming back to support my channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Now, if this is your first time to my channel, I am so happy you stopped by to watch my video. If by the end of this video you like my content, please go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and turn your notification bell on so that you will know each time I upload a video. I appreciate you stopping by, and go ahead and become a part of this one big happy family. I would like to take the time out and give the bride and groom to be a marriage Bible scripture, or if you are already married, I would just like to give you a Bible scripture. Ephesians 4 verse 2 says, "Be completely humble and gentle, be patient, bearing with one another in love." Okay, I'm going to share another one with you guys. Ephesians 4 verses 32 says, "Be kind to each other, tender-hearted, forgiving one another, just as God through Christ has forgiven you." Okay, family, I'm on my last charger. Okay, so what I'm doing here is just putting petals all around the outside of my charger. I'm not going to put any on the inside of my charger because that's where my plate is going to sit. Now, I gave you 3 different looks. I gave you the gold, the silver, and the red. Which charger do you like the best? Comment below and let me know. For the rest of this video, I'm just going to be quiet and let you guys sit back, relax, and watch the rest of the video.